Good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning, everybody. Alicia, welcome. JT, hey, good to see you. And Natasha is here. Good morning. Sam, good to see you. OMG, OMG. All right. Let's see what is happening. Beautiful, beautiful day. Friday has begun, I guess. Good to see you, Ollie. Dokugan, hey, hello there. Green, welcome, everybody. It's always my honor and pleasure to see the OG group. Beats Voyager, hey, good morning. All right. Interesting levels here on NASDAQ, right? We have pop-up. We have pop-up. I don't know what's that. We have a little bit of pop-up here in price. And if that's what you mean. And we have relative equal highs up here. Kind of interesting. And anyway, these are the levels I outlined it to myself earlier this morning. Peep Hunter, good to see you. Naomi, welcome. Hello there, Naomi. Kirk. Hello there, Kirk. So, yesterday, quite interesting. And now we have a new day opening gap. We have an Asia low and Asia high with relative equal highs at 460-ish area. So that would be interesting to see. And what else? What else do we have? I have a feeling that we might want to go down to Asia low. Also because we have this new day opening gap down there. We'll see. We'll see. Feels like it just wants to go lower. What do you guys think? Farhad, good morning. Yokozuna, good to see you. Kind of looks like it want to go lower, but I am not sure about it. Not sure about it. What's the distance here? I mean, we don't know if first it just wants to go up there, take out the Asia highs. You know, that is something. I mean, I think the best thing right now is to wait for a possible entry. As always, respecting the 50% of the day bottom half. Yeah, most likely. And by the way, I just wrote it down to my notepad yesterday that I need to reduce the number of trades. And actually, I'm going to put it out in a sticky note to my monitor. Reduce the number of trades, and it's better to just wait and not do anything. So that's what I'm going to do for now. Well, let's see. If Friday rally is happening, then we might want to take out the lows first. I'm not sure. Check out gold. Got a pullback reversal. Let me check. Quick check on gold. Oh, wow. We went up to historical highs. 3K, actually. Look at that. We just made history. We just made history. Yeah, I think we can see a pullback on gold, but so far it's ranging, so yeah, it's a little bit sloppy, so it could go lower. Interesting. Historical levels for sure. And this one looks like it might want to go lower. Maybe down to like, yeah, it wants to break this level. It wants to break that level, which is 83. I'm not sure, but it looks like it. maybe it wants to go. Let me see. 83.25. Yeah, most likely. Most likely. It's gonna take that out. Anyway, let's see. Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you. Smash the like. Thank you. Hey, Alex. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Oh, he's okay. He's okay. He just couldn't drive because of the surgery, but he's okay. Thank you for asking. Thank you. Doing okay. Doing okay. Everybody, I mean, once it's my mother, then my father-in-law. I really hope that no more hospital visits this year. All right. Let's see. What does this want to do here? I'm wondering. So you're waiting for 150k subscribers. Sale at Michael Patek. Oh yeah, they're gonna do a sale or some codes or something, right? Oh yeah, Dokugan. Yeah, I agree. That would be great. Oh yeah, yeah, JT. You're short. All right. Yeah, let's see what it wants to do. Does it want to go lower, higher, maybe? Nobody knows. Nobody really knows. I mean, we have an Asia high at 334. So that could be interesting as well. The 334 level. I guess we'll see. Hold on. The low of this is 83.25. Yeah, it's 83.25 down there. I wonder if it wants to break this or, you know, bounce from here. That's what I would like to know. I'm not sure. Let me check. Apex website. No, they did not extend their sale as of now. I think they will do it. I think they will do it because I mean, the Top Step is they are always do what they say, right? Really. So I think they're gonna do it most likely on Top Step TV on a live broadcast. They're just gonna send out the codes or just tell anyone what's the code. So they're gonna do it. They're gonna do it. I'm sure about that. I am sure about that. All right, we made a lower low here. Made a lower low. Oh, they did? Oh, not it's not, yeah, not Apex, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I haven't received an email from Topstep about this, but maybe I just wasn't looking. But I will check on it. Hey, Jason. uh, no information, Jason. I wish I knew something. Nothing from Topstep. Okay. No from Apex. Oh. Well, Apex is now, I think it's back to 50%. Let me check their Discord. It would be great at least if they would do the same. I mean, they did the almost exactly the same sale, like $83 for all the accounts, but I'm gonna check it out. Promotion update. No sign of extension. She is here. Prepare no activation fees. Yeah. Oh, just a second. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. MB Trader, hello. Is Apex account a straight? What? Please. Is Apex account a straight funded one or activation? You have to activate. You have to pay activation fee with Apex. I think it's $125 lifetime or $80 monthly. So yeah, that is how it goes. If that's the question. No problem. You're welcome. Okay, so slowly going down. I don't see anything special here. I think it's just gonna go slowly lower, but we'll see. Okay. I'm not gonna jump into a long position now. How far are we from Asia low? We are 50 points away. I'm gonna wait. I am just gonna wait for Asia low. Obviously, I could have taken this trade to the downside, but that would have been a little bit more risky. So but anyway, I have secured this morning, it was off stream, an Apex payout. It should be now. This is the one that got denied about a week ago, and I traded up to $3,107. I do have to flip it one more day. But I have everything that is needed. So this has to be approved. There's no way around it. I was trading like with proper risk management, no drawdown, small micros, everything with stop loss, everything. Risk to reward ratio was way within the limits. So everything is fine. I should be able to request $1,000 from this. So I'm going to request it next week. We'll see how it goes. Okay. A little bit of a retracement here. I can see this one going up to the 395-ish area. So let's wait for that. Let's go to the 5-minute. So we have the new day opening gap down there. We have Asia low. Oh, thank you, Farhad. I'm also doing a new Take Profit Trader test account. I still need, this is a 150K account. I still need nearly $400, $388 to pass this one. So and I passed another one. I already flipped it. So unfortunately, I blow up my previous funded account. But this is the one I have. I do have to make a recap about how I'm doing. The Bulenox accounts are looking good. This is above 3,000. This is at $3,200, getting closer to payout. This is also almost at 3,000. The new Apex accounts are a little bit behind, only at nearly 600 and 443. So I do have to work on those. And but now next week I'm gonna focus on the take profit trader accounts again. I really need to focus on that take profit trader account. What else do we have? Thank you. Bulenox, by the way, Bulenox is back to 75%, but the good news is, with the same code, the option 2 accounts are also at 75%. So both option 1 and option 2 accounts, the end of day trailing accounts, which you guys might like better, is also at 75% discount. So, which is, how much is that? Is about $43.75 for an end of day trailing account with Bulenox. Just saying. It's not a bad price, actually. Just saying. Hey, good morning, Pinion Mendez. Doing good, thank you. All is good. Secured another payout. Yeah. So far, so good. And working on some new accounts. I feel like we should go down to that Asia low, because this is like, it's a perfect Asia low here to go for. I would really like to see this being taken out. I might even take a short on an eval here, because why not? No. Yeah, I took a small short position, only on evaluation account. I would like to target the 35 down there. If we get it, only on evaluation account, as I say, or as I said. Hold on. 30. I would be okay at the 41s. All right. So this is the trade. Oh, where is it? Hold on. Here it is. Okay. Looking for Asia low. That's it. Hey, thank you, Lovey. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Again, the option 2 accounts are at a fairly good price, like $43.75, as far as I can see it. So end of day trailing, but it does have a daily loss limit, I think $1,100 or $1,200 soft breach. So but anyway, end of day trailing. You guys like that more? Oh, Lovey likes the option 2. Awesome. Bowser, good to see you. What is happening, Bowser? Using right now that you like, Michael. I would say there are like, I mean, I'm trading with a couple, But my favorite is Take Profit Trader right now, and MyFundedFutures. And on the third place, I would give the third place to Bulenox and Apex. So those two. So these four are basically my favorite: Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, Bulenox, Apex, and after that, I'm still trading. I mean, I picked up DAYTRADERS.com. No monthly payment on the evaluation account, by the way. Just saying, with DayTraders, no monthly fee, so you don't have to subscribe for a monthly payment on the eval. If it takes for you 6 months to pass the account, still doesn't matter. You just have to pay once for the eval. So I picked up DayTraders, and Tick Trader as well is awesome. So Tudor, good morning. And Michael, welcome. Oh, congratulations. Fresh XFA account. Hey. Do you invest in the stock market? No. Not that I don't want to, I just don't have the money to I mean, I could put in some money, but to invest in the stock market, I mean, I would be needing a considerably bigger amount, like at least the bare minimum, in my opinion, to invest, not trade, to invest in the stock market. I think you would need like at least $20, $30, $50,000 to invest in the stock market. Not for a week, but for long term, like bare minimum is 2 years to 5 years or something, you know. And I think that would take at least $20,000 or more, 30, to invest, not to day trade. And you have to follow those stocks real closely, and you know what's happening. Use Take Profit for how many days to pass the eval? 5 minimum trading days, Michael. Yeah, 5 minimum trading days. Yeah. Starter account, Michael. Starter account. If you're brand new, by the way, if somebody is brand new on MyFundedFutures, if you use my code, you can get a 25% discount from the Starter Plus accounts. I like the Starter because I don't really trade big size. The Expert account obviously gives you the most freedom, but if you trade small, like I am, then the Starter account is basically good. So, and no activation fee with MyFundedFutures. I know there's no other sale at MyFundedFutures currently. The only one is the new straight to live account evaluation program, which is quite interesting, but I don't know how it goes for them. I might try it out. But still, if you want to check out, you know, there are some good ones. Yeah, 5 days, exactly. Joey, hey there. Yeah, still same. Well, it's not that bad, Michael, but you know, I mean, I know it's. I mean, for example, this here, I have a new Take Profit Trader eval here. I passed this in 2 days. Now I'm just. This is my 3rd day of flipping, so I just flipped it with $2 negative, $2.5, $2.50, and I passed it in 2 days. But what I do is just flip it for. Obviously, there's a 50% consistency rule, so that's why. But you need to flip it. That's it. That's what you can do. For long term, I would only invest in government. Yeah, that's also a good strategy. Long term in XRP. Everybody's talking about XRP. You can buy 1 share a week, 1 month, and not look at charts at all. That's also true. That's also true, Bad Mouse. Sir Berson, hello. You invest 500k, 8% yearly return is... yeah. And that is actually a very good money. Yeah, exactly, Bad Mouse. Yeah. Yeah, thank you, Michael. I'm not sure if it's going to give you a discount, But if you type in my code, it gives a bit of a credit to the stream. I do appreciate it very much. If anybody's picking up some accounts from MyFundedFutures, let it be an expert or the new eval or starter, whatever. It's not always giving a discount because MyFundedFutures just pretty much disabled all the discounts. But if you type in my coupon code, it gives a bit of a credit to the stream. Thank you. You need minimum of yes. Oh, the rule. Oh, there's a rule for that. Okay. Really, Martin? You put everything to XR. I was listening to a podcast from Patrick Pat David, and he was saying some analysts who are absolutely most likely be owning XRP saying that XRP can go up to $100 even. That's what they say, but I don't know. Oh, I went against it. I am sorry. I'm sorry, Bowser. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't know that. Now you can trade options with a cash account. Oh, I see. I'm putting 500 a week into M futures. I'm actually thinking to do that, by the way, and I'm still trying to figure out what you guys, trying to get some information, and just let me know. I want to start, I made the decision. I would like to start a personal futures trading account. It will be about $2,000 ish. $2,000 or $2,500, something in that range. I still don't know which brokerage to go with. I like to connect with Quantower, obviously. So I don't know. Should it be M Futures or TradeAway? I don't know which. TradeAway is not available with Quantower, right? So AMP, or if anyone can recommend a regulated, trustworthy futures brokerage that can handle $2,000 as a small deposit that I can still trade with 1 or 2 micros. That's the goal. 1 or 2 micros. That's how I want to do it. The goal is not to make $1,000 a day. The goal is to sustain, the growth of the account, even if I just make $100 a month or whatever. So which brokerage can handle $2,000 ish? I'm just curious which futures brokerage should I choose. I made the decision, and I think I'm going to start it even this month. We'll see. So Revolut is a good option to slowly. Oh, yeah. Simpson effect. Yeah. You have it at AMP. AMP or Dorman. Okay. AMP. Quantower is free with AMP. Okay. AMP is best. Dorman is good. Okay, so it seems like that you guys are liking AMP. Okay. Because multimillionaire. Wow. Long-term person. Nice, Collie. Hold on, just a second. I forgot something. AMP, Dorman, Iron Beam, Ninja Trader. 2%. Closing Iron Beam. 2 high commissions. All of them. Okay. I aim for $30 a day. That's a good target, Ninja Trader. AMP Life has $30 margin. Wow. Optimus Futures. I heard about that. AMP has the best margin rates. Okay. All right. It seems like AMP it is, right? I don't know how much the data fee, by the way. I have to look after that. Iron Bean also, but don't know much about it. Okay. CQG in Quant Tower at minimum month fee. Like, oh, that's good. That's good. Ninjas and Dormant still now as FCM. Okay. I put 5K in personal account this week. Up 1K. Wow. Bowser, nice. Honestly, guys, I think I have to start, you know, on this journey because, you know, when prop firms are going to get regulated, I might have to be forced to trade on personal account. So Iron Beam amp, okay, okay. You can copy trade Rhythmic to DX feed. Oh yeah. That's good. Thank you for the info. 50% of your profits every Friday. That's a good strategy. That's a good strategy, Bowser. For level 2 CME package. That's doable. That's doable. I mean, obviously, yeah, I can pay it, but, you know. Including comics. Okay. For EuroX. Same as the... Oh, yeah. What's the difference between futures and options? I don't know what's the difference because I never ever traded with options. I don't know anything about options trading. I don't know if we bounce from here. What I'm looking is that it slowly grinds down to Asia low. That's what I was looking for here. It might not go. So that would be interesting what's going to happen. It's an introducing broker. Okay. Yeah, everybody, I heard about that. The central bank digital currencies are coming in. Naomi says, I do 30 to 100 per day in my personal NinjaTrader. That is excellent, Naomi. Naomi, that is excellent. That is like, wow. You know, my first goal on a personal account, obviously, I have to control my feelings there, and I have to be really, especially at the start, I want to be very conservative and selective with the trades. I want to go with one micro only, just to get the feeling. And if I can make, for example, on a $2,000 deposit, if I can make like, I'm not saying much, guys. If I can just make $200 or $300 extra on the first month, this is gonna be the first ever to try futures trading on a personal account for me. If I can just make a few $100s at the end of the first 30 days or something, I would say that awesome. And you know, I can start from there. So the goal is not to get rich by the end of the month, but first to handle the account properly. You know. Daily pivot 371. That could be an issue. That could be the cause of this. First losses on Empla. I'm using it on the Trader 5 to iPhone, and remember getting stopped out. By the way, I also have MetaTrader 5, which is, I think, you know, I use MetaTrader a lot in the last years. I mean, not now, but before I started streaming, I was trading a lot with MetaTrader. So it's almost like coming back home. But your trading improved because strictly trading personal. I heard about this too. Like, if you're trading your personal account, partially you stop doing stupid things. You know, you think twice about what you do. Anyway. Oh yeah, stay away from politics. We're at $30 per day. That is, yeah, exactly, Naomi. That is $600 per month. And it's very, very good. With a 1K account? Nice. I was demo trading with them futures, by the way, on a MetaTrader account, MetaTrader 5, just to see how things are going. But yeah, I think it's gonna be M futures then. The main thing is I should be able to connect through Quantower, and I can just switch to the personal account. I see. Multiple 1K accounts, aim for 50 a day on each. That's a good plan. That's a good plan. Look at this. Now it's going back. I don't like this. Waldo, good morning. Ollie took profit at 371. Wow. Jesus. Right there. 2K profit. Oh, man. Oh, congratulations. The order block is holding. Yeah, I think so. Oh, by the way, I haven't even checked for order blocks. I have a feeling that it's gonna go up there to the 400 to pick up some orders, maybe. It's still okay as long as it's not going too much up there. We still have that new day opening gap. But anyway. Also just looking for why I'm more directional, less choppy. Yeah, I heard about that. Maybe I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, not a bad idea actually. I think it works better like in New York, right? YM. Oh yeah, definitely, Ollie. Definitely. But hey, it's Friday and you made it. Max loss is 30.50, and you stop for the day. That's a good strategy. Still okay now. I mean, yeah, YM is interesting, but yeah, I like to see it sweep the Asia low. This one also has this Asia low here, YM, but look at this. Look at how much it is gapped out. Lots of gaps all around the place. On the 1 minute, on the 5 minute, still. It's not really ideal for London session, I think, but maybe. Oh no, this is going up. Oh no. It's kind of like a bullish breaker here. All right, I'm not gonna do anything with this. If it takes me out, then it takes me out. It's just evaluation account. Yeah, then no way I'm gonna do the 5-second chart on YM. No. Unfortunately, I think it's gonna go to my stop. I'm considering to close this, reduce the loss here if I can. And because we have the macro, we have London open, it's very close. I think it just wants to go higher. Yeah, I'm closing it. Closed it. Feels like it wants to take that swing high. Maybe the macro is gonna take it. Not sure. If you feel, I will say it's my curse. I'm sorry. All right. All right. This one a new trading strategy called Dumb Money Concepts. Okay. Okay, it sounds interesting. It sounds really interesting. There she goes. It's breaking these levels. Gerald, hey, welcome. How's it going? Good to see you. Oh, really? Maybe it's me. Captured about 25 handles. Nice, Lovey. We took a small long at 406. All right. You still didn't get it. Well, we have to research that concept. It sounds interesting. We have to do our research. Well, the grind is real. It's just going higher. It's just going higher. Malaysian SNR. No, never heard of it. 1.2k? Ollie, you're done for the whole day. Not just for the night. Yeah, exactly. 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 Ollie, awesome job. I don't know what to say. 1.2k. I think you're absolutely done for the week. Yeah. Congratulations. And nice recovery. Beautiful week. Beautiful week for you. I mean, there was a little bit of a bump on the road, but you recovered and there you go. You just made it. Had to selling to yesterday with a TP of 200, but closed it with an 80. That's not bad. Hey, green is green, Gerald. Green is green. That's all that matters. Okay, we swept this high now. What's gonna happen? We swept that high. What's it gonna do? Consequent encroachment of the new day opening gap. Was this a previous new day opening gap? I guess. Oh yeah, exactly here. Exactly here. Nice. Interesting. Interesting level. My Instagram. I think the link is down there in the description of the stream, somewhere below the affiliate links. I think my Instagram handle should be the same as this here, as my ex TomSaboBiz. I'm not really posting too much on Instagram, but I will update. I will update. I have a plan for Instagram, or maybe OnlyFans. No, but maybe I'll do some, because I want to do the vlogs. You know, I want to do some vlog videos, and as I did before sometimes, but I want to do more. And so it might be better to do some Instagram stuff as well. Yeah, exactly. By the way, there was a minor structure shift here on this candle. Just saying, look at this. There was a structure shift. So, that being said, after this candle close, I might gonna put a limit sell order somewhere around 403.25. We'll see. 10 more seconds. Oh, you want a DM? Okay, you can do it on Instagram or on X if you want to. Or I can post my email. And also some changes are coming in. I said it like 1,000 times, I know. In the Discord, there's gonna be a free version for Discord. And as a compensation, I have a little extra for the members who were paid members. Okay, so limit sell at 402.75. Okay, got triggered. Only evaluation account. Man, it's not looking good. You may want to say it as breakaway gap. Yeah, breakaway gap. Not fun. Not fan of X. Okay. Apart from trading, you can't understand if you are truly profitable. The rules don't leave you to see the real potentials. Yeah, I understand, I think, what you're saying there. It feels like it wants to go higher. That's my problem. I wanted to see it just go down to Asia low. It's not going. We still have London, not London Open, London Open, but we have the pre-market open as well. So there's going to be some liquidity coming in. Oh, I see. Deposit you spend on challenges, you will quickly build a decent personal. Oh yeah. Everything is leverage. Yes. Yeah, you don't really need like $100,000 account or whatever. If the goal is to make a few $100s a month, you can do it with a, I don't know, $1,000 or $1,500. So you don't need to keep like 100K on your brokerage account. Look at 5 minute. Oh yeah, man, it's a bullish breaker. We have an order block up there, and I'm offside here. Why am I so, I don't know. I overlooked this thing here, the 5 minute order block. How could I overlook this? Bearish order block up there. I mean, I'd like to see the scenario where this one just takes out Asia low, and then we have a Friday rally all the way up there. Oh, hey, I have your DM. Hey. All right. Let's see how it goes. We have pre-market open very, very close. Oh yeah, Lovey. Yeah, well, let's see. Hey, Pro Trader. Good morning. Yeah. So here's my trade so far. It doesn't look that good. There's always almost reaction at that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm the way I see it is, you know, there's always kind of a reaction at, but you know what you're saying at the 80s and the 20s, I also noticed that. Market maker salmon, unless this one. Yeah. No, I'm not gonna get analysis paralysis. I mean, I completely understand that everybody has a different way to see the same exact chart or the same exact market. So then I respect that, because there's like thousands of ways to trade this. All we can do is manage risk, right? And as Mark Douglas said, all we can do is make an educated guess. That's what we're doing. An educated guess, nothing more. Around 10 points. Wow. Well, we're gonna soon find out. As you can see, I F around quite a bit with this. The more I F around, the more I find out. So 4 hour. Just that, yeah. Yeah, it would be interesting. And again, as I said, the Asia low or Asia high, it should be one or the other now, and maybe in this session. Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Let's see. Gold is a pump. All right. Let's see what's going to happen. Are we going to make a new low? Are we going to make a new low? I need to get this Take Profit Trader account. Ranges between 2 swings. Yeah. Interesting, by the way. It's always interesting. The numbers game. Quick 30 handle short. Nice. Let's go, Lovey. Let's go. Oh no, we're back up there. I was hoping to see that the drop continues, but it's just not. It's not doing it. Not yet. Just flipping too long? Yeah, could be. It could be. That's why we need to see what's going on here. Let me check it, Gerald. Woo, beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. Nice trades. US 100. And this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Good job there. Natasha is saying wait. I'm waiting. I'm just waiting. I'm sticking to the plan for now and just waiting. Just a second. Quick phone call. All right, all right, all right. This was the market maker, and they told me they still don't know what to do. You fight. Yeah, let's see. Can go higher because oh yeah, absolutely. The market makers are watching it, so now it's gonna go higher. Exactly. Exactly. Oh no, this trade again is. I don't know what's happening with this. I told them. I told them. Yeah, we close buddies, Bob. Yeah. Let's see. May big bucks. As they closing my. Oh. Hmm. Uh-huh. So let's see. I know it's cheating. I know. I know the phone. I know the number. I know who to call. Anyway, we're pretty much in the middle here. It can still go higher, obviously. It looks like it might just gonna go, especially on the 5-minute. It looks very nicely as a bullish setup here. So anyway, I tried. That's the problem. I got married to the idea, and now it's just going against me. Oh yeah, let's see, Lovey. Could be, could be. It could be. For Switzerland, I don't know. I don't know what's the. Is that for Switzerland? 0041. All right. Let's call Switzerland. I'm gonna call Natasha, and we'll ask her what she thinks about the current market. Market. Oh, I see. Okay. Hey, absolutely, Lovey. And it's interesting to read your thoughts on it. So I will be curious of what's this gonna do here. I don't know if it's gonna dump, but it's definitely doing some interesting moves here. Now it's just gonna push. It's just pushing. What a disappointment. Oh man, look at that. I would not take this trade on my funded accounts, by the way. That is why I only took it on evaluation accounts. This is not for funded accounts. This is not that kind of setup. Maybe I could have taken a long position here. But it's too late now. The 15-minute looks sideways. Low is 400. See, 407 is the high. Yeah, could be. Let's see. Oh, definitely. Definitely, Natasha. TPT is the best for now. I hope it stays that way. Pare, good morning. Yeah, this range is just a little bit frustrating. Do you have another payout, Natasha? Really? If yes, then it seems like Natasha is printing money every day. Okay. Congratulations to Natasha is taking payouts every single day from Take Profit Traders. Let's go. Yeah, NQ is just dancing around. It's just dancing around. Let's see, Lovey. Let's see. I'm curious. Yeah, it's a little bit like that. Okay, Gerald, good to see you. And nice trades there. Thanks for sharing. And see you in New York. Let's go. Natasha, she's the market maker, I guess, or she has some connections. Range, we are at equilibrium. Yeah. Yeah, I'm watching my left screen here. She has some insider somewhere on the trading desk. Oh no, it's ripping now. Well, I tried. Let's go, Natasha. Let's hit the likes. Awesome. We'll be checking out that video. Get ready for long. All right. Yeah, I think it wants to pop higher. Bad for me. I think I might have to close this position again. All right, closing it. I'm out. I don't like it. I think it wants to pop that level. It just wants to pop that level. Maybe not, but it definitely seems like that way. Look at that. Wow. What's the high there? Is the 21? 22 actually. Let's see. Yeah, it's I just don't get it. But we have the new 15/15 5-minute candles here. So it can basically do anything. Is this really going to pop this level, or what's the goal here? All right, it did. I scalped this one a little bit on the Take Profit Trader account, but only on the 150k eval, and I passed it. Look at that. New 150k Take Profit Trader funded account. It's passed. Let's go. At least something good came out of this. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Wishy-washy. We use that word in German. All right. Excuse me, I have to check something. I'll be right back in a few minutes, all right? I'll be right back. I'm here. The guys with me to the shop. Oh, you're shopping. All right. That's the best thing. Shopping and trading, right? All right, let me see. Let's go, Lovey. Well, at least you said it right. Everything was correct. We're going for that 460 maybe? Seems like it. To me, it seems like that we're going. Let's see. Let's see if it wants to go or not. $16 standard deviations at minimum. Wow. That's a lot, I think. Or not? Maybe not. I wonder if this one wants to pop above the 50s. The midnight open is at, is it at 50? What's the open of this? The open of this candle is 49.25. I mean, it could. Oh yeah. We are up there. Asia high is gonna be next. Uh-huh. New day opening gap coming. Well, we have some levels up there. And if I look to the left on the 15-minute, I don't see anything significant. But now that it seems like we're taking the Asia high, this is gonna be interesting. Is this gonna go higher? I think, I mean, why is it not taking the 460? I think it should, in my opinion. Or a bearish order block right above Asia high. Oh yeah, I totally forgot about that. 4-hour bearish order block. I don't know if this is the one you're saying. I'm not sure if that's a bearish order block, but could be. A little bit more push. Yeah. 59.25 should be taken, in my opinion. Beautiful relative equal highs. You know, look at that. 10 points should be busting through that level. Gold new high. Yeah, gold is just going to make new highs, I think. Exactly. You're doing it the right way, Lovey. So it's that's a good thing that you're saying you're journaling, because I think you can confirm that. I think you can confirm that since you're journaling, you're definitely having better results, right? Everybody who I talked to about journaling said to me that they had improvements in their trading since they were journaling the moves. It could be a good move, bad move, whatever. Could be just about, you know, how they were feeling while trading, what mistakes or good things they did, you know. Yeah. Shocking, right? Just notating the dates and price levels, and then you see it. Journaling is key. Okay, Martin. That's what I'm saying. To note and never write anything negative. Yeah, you have to be positive in your journaling. Like, you know, supportive. Yes, exactly, Lovey. Exactly. That I like the word. So you have to be supportive in your journal because you're gonna read it back, and you cannot be hard on yourself. You have to, even if you journal down a losing streak or some losing trades, you have to journal it down in a positive way. What should have been taken differently? What did you learn from that? And what, you know, in a positive note. Note it down to the book. If you called it incorrectly, note that. You need to learn why. Exactly. I like that. I like what you, so yeah. Exactly the way I think journaling should be working or works. I'm also journaling down in this. So I'm as just like some other. I'm a dinosaur. I'm using paper and pen, and I'm writing down. So I don't have a Excel sheet or I tried that. I tried to write down some stuff in an Excel or in a Word document or in. I use Notion too. But then I realized just keeping a simple paper notebook on my desk and write down the stuff, that is something I like. So execution times in these markets, yeah. Red folder at 10 a.m. Oh yeah, we have some red folder news, right? Pen and paper. We're not old, we're all young. But I'm a pen and paper guy. So I obviously, as I said, I tried to do it in Notion, typing it in on my. I also use my laptop to do it, and I like, no, it's just simple to take a pen and write it down. You know, some levels, as you said. You're journaling your admirals. That's actually a good idea. Yeah, we reversed the standard deviation. What is happening here? It didn't take the high. I don't know. It helps a lot. Yeah. It definitely helps a lot. Now, if I just boldly look at the entry model, for example, the ICT entry model, just boldly looking at it, then let's see what I could have done here. There was a possible entry here. which would have been a loss right there. There was another possible entry here. Wow. From 89, 79. Wow, this would have been a winner. Wow, wow. -1 plus 2R. And all I would just had to do, without complicating the trades, without getting analysis paralysis, just execute the trade. Here, -1R plus 2R. Boom. That's it. If you zoom it out, everyone, you will see that this is two valid entries. This is a stop loss, and this is a 1 to 2 TP. And it worked out nicely. Should have or would have worked out. Easy to say when it's past, but let me read the chat. It's either continuation, it should be. Yeah. Hungarian goulash. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, ITP has always been that open. Create. It's super simple. It's only a few columns. Day in time, then the account type, funded, personal, eval, instrument. Oh, I see. Well, that seems like easy to follow up on that one. I'm gonna actually see what's for lunch at my favorite place today. All right. Oh, we have chili. Okay. Okay, that would be interesting. Ooh. Oh, we have something special today on the menu. We have special something. I don't know what to call it in English, but we have a specialty for lunch. But it's a little bit heavy food. I showed this to you guys earlier. This is for lunch at my favorite place right now. Hungarian specialty. This is gonna be for lunch. Oh yeah, these are calories, Green. Oh, me too. It's not that. You know what this is, guys? I told this. JT's heart is burning. What is happening? You know what this is? This is the stomach of the sheep. You know, this is the stomach of sheep stomach, or I don't know how to do it, how to say it. Yeah, it's sheep stomach. You know. Let me show you. This is it. Now you don't see it. Anyway. It's sheep stomach. I don't know how to say it differently. Right? This is a very traditional food. This is gonna be for lunch today. In Turkish, it's called ishkembe. Yeah, we call it pacal. Yeah, this is the stomach of the sheep. This is how it looks like when it's raw. You have to wash it and prepare it because, you know, you don't want it to be messed up. And, you know, you have to cook it properly. And this is the end. It's delicious. I don't even know how to what to compare it to. Sheep's tribe. Yeah, something like that. Is that good? Okay, very common. Yeah, especially the soup. Yeah, so I don't know what to compare it to. It's very juicy, very tasty. Tastes like meat a little bit, by the way. It tastes like meat, but you know, you really have to prepare it. You know, you have to cook it for, most of the times you really have to cook it for at least 3 to 4 hours minimum. So it's not done in an hour. It's like 4 hours or more, depending on how old the sheep was. So you have to cook it for a long time. You have to be very good with the spice, you know, with the spicing and everything. And it's good. It's very tasty. Yeah, that has to be clean. Yeah, it is. I can send, of course. No problem trading stuff. Yeah. So this is for lunch today. Yeah, exactly, Ollie. One important thing is, if you don't prepare it properly, it has a not too good smell. Yeah. So you have to cook it real good for 4 or 5 hours to get rid of the smell. Because if you don't cook it well, then it's gonna have a bad smell. So you have to. Full of collagen, yeah. Yeah, here too. In Hungary, some people are dying for this kind of food. I like it too, by the way. So I think it's very tasty, very delicious. If you can cook it good. Let's see. No, not really, Tudor. We don't really do the tribe soup. I know it's a thing. I know it's a food. Hungarians don't really do the soup. But I know what it is. Yeah, it's basically the same almost. Okay, what's this doing right here? I can't seem to figure this out. Oh, in Transylvania you do. Okay. I need to eat something. I mean, I need to eat that in a soup. It's amazing. All right, I'm down for it. I'm going to Transylvania. Yeah, this is Chop City for sure. This is definitely Chop City. It's from stomach, yeah. Well, sheep. Small little sheep stomach. Let's go. Natasha is taking the payouts every day, so she's doing just fine, just great, right? Natasha said she's at Zurich, near to Zurich. So let's track them down. All right. Okay. Let's go directions. Okay, Germany. You guys are 275 kilometers approximately apart from each other. Not too far. The market makes you should be living there. Yeah. Look at that. It might try to go up there again. All right. Let's see. How far are we going? Are we going a little bit higher? I'd like to see the Asia high being broken, but not sure. Explain what it is. What? What? I explain anything you want, but what exactly? In German? In German? Explain the market in German? I can't explain it if that's what you wanted me to say. How do they say it? Ich kann es nicht erklären. It's Switzerland, yeah. Zurich is in Switzerland. Google Maps is your friend. Just, you know, a pointer. Wink. This is called Kuteln. Kuteln. What is Kuteln? I don't know what is that. Is that a place? Sorry, I'm Kuteln. Oh, the food. You see? Google. Tripe. Okay. Yeah. Kuteln. Exactly. You have it. Then you know what I'm talking about. Exactly. This is the one. This is the one. Oh, it looks juicy here. All right. This is the one. The more spicier, it's better. Just saying. The more spicier it gets, it's better. Oh, looks delicious. Oh my god, I'm starting to be a little bit hungry. Yeah. I'm too far. Oh, yeah, she's too far. Okay. Not too far. 275 kilometers. Come on, man. You can do it with the bicycle. Oh, you guys are meeting up. All right. Why nobody wants to meet me? How far am I from Zurich? How far am I from Zurich? I have to... Okay. Okay. Let me check. Google is counting. Jesus. 1,052 kilometers. My God. I want to do that, by the way, Tudor. I want to do that. I know the owner of the place. He's a very good guy. And I might gonna do a small little video. Yeah, there you go, guys. You guys want to meet me in the middle somewhere as well? It's a little bit more kilometers. Like, it's 500 for me, 500 for you guys. We rent out a nice place and we have a party. How about that? So we don't have to drive all day. No Diddy parties. No, it's not gonna be a Diddy party. We're gonna have some drinks and talk about trading. That's how it is. Yes, an Airbnb. Let's go. Only Google Meet party. Yeah, yeah. 5 a.m. incoming. Yes, yes. No oil. Oh my God. How many strippers? You see, I'm not the one who comes up with these stupid questions. It's Trading Star. You know, first thing he's asking, what about the strippers? I was talking about trading. Trading Star's talking about strippers. So, you know, I'm clean. I'm looking for Fieldbird. I'm looking for Asia high to be taken, or a strong displacement to the downside so we can go to Asia low. But for now, I'm just waiting for the new hour. We have flat candles up here. I have a feeling that it might want to go for Asia high, but I'm not gonna jump in for a scalp, so I'm just gonna wait for. We have these relative equal highs up here as well, so I'd like to see Asia high broken and then reverse, most likely. Strippers are important. Yeah, exactly. Man and woman, please. There, okay, Natasha. Straight to the point, man and woman. She's Swiss. The Dr. Shuttle and Dr. Shuttle Show. Hello. We just go all and cross his fingers, flip a coin. No. Methodical man has a good strategy. I don't know what he would do right now. You know, next time, I don't have his phone number, unfortunately. It would be awesome to call him when he's sleeping, you know. Call him from, you know, like, hey man, what should you do? Price is just, you know, hovering here and here. Oh, that would be such a huge prank to call him in the middle of the night. You know, he's sleeping, most likely. What's the time there? Well, he might be waking up now. 10 minus, yeah, it's around 5 a.m., I think, in his time zone. You know, at the start of the stream, it should be at the middle of the night for him. We should call him and ask about some trade analysis. Oh, we have to do that, guys. We have to do that. I don't know if I call his Discord, is it going to ring out on his cell phone? Or is it muted? I wonder. We can try that next time. Third, what's happening? Good to see you. Yes, I would like to go live with Natasha. Yes, I would love to. Oh, thank you. And May 3K, confirmed then. The link and the code is working. It's a cheat code for the market. Awesome. Thank you for the support, Third. And congratulations. Nice job. Okay, sleeping is for the week. We're going to do that. We're going to do that. He should be sleeping now, right? Should we call him now? Oh, he's gonna be mad at me if he's sleeping. I don't know. Past 2 counts? Let's go. Dr. Joe Dispenza. You canceled it. All right. You guys are going to meet up and leave me out? Call him. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me if I call him. Obviously, yeah. You guys have a good party. Talk about trading. Wink. You know. By Justin Bieber. You know, if his cell phone is not muted, and imagine that his girlfriend sleeping next to him, or is he married? I don't know. He said it, I forgot. Anyway, and they're just waking up because I'm calling. Uh, dun, 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 dun. Only 50K in MyFundedFutures now. No bigger account. Let me check it. There should be. Let me check. There is starter plus 100K, 150K. There is a expert 100 and 150K. And the starter is only 50K. Yes, true. The starter is only 50K. The starter plus has bigger ones. Yeah. Yeah, the starter is only at 50K. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna say to Methodical Man. Oh. It could be a what's the time at his place now? It's 5 a.m. right? Let's see. Let's see. Let me check his Discord. I think he's sleeping. I'm not gonna do that. I'm scared. I'm scared to call him at 5 a.m. in the morning. I think he's sleeping. He was up for late, I think. It's 4 a.m. Central. Yeah, but where he lives, it's 5 a.m. I think, right? What's his time zone? I don't know. I'm not sure about the time zone. Seems like Natasha and Trading Star is gonna have a meet and greet session in April. All right. I'm not getting jealous. Why should I be jealous for? I mean, you guys don't want to visit here. I understand. I understand. Man, nothing is moving. What is going on here? I know you're kidding. I know. Don't worry. What is happening with NQ? It's yeah, stop loss. If we don't know his time zone, maybe we should. It has to be 4 or 5 a.m. in the morning for him. Man, I think we should call him. Of course I do. I think we should call Methodical Man. Are we addicts? I think we are, Fieldbird, because trading somewhere is some. It definitely has a certain level of addiction, right? So trading is addiction. Do you really do, Natasha? I don't know. I don't know. It seems like to me that Trading Star seems to be like more important now. But anyway, it's all right. I believe you. Let's move on. It's okay. He might be in a profile area. Oh, maybe. Maybe. Oh, man, I'm so tempted to call Methodical Man now on his Discord. The question is his phone muted or not? I don't know his phone number, but if his Discord is ringing, then we have a chance. Stop loss hunter. I took 2 trades on the short, and both of them I closed them in a loss. And on hindsight, I scalped a 150k account, and I got a new funded account from Take Profit Trader. But otherwise, I had 2 shorts, and they were going against me, so I closed it. And now I'm just still waiting. I'm waiting for price to break the Asia high here at 459. But you know, as far as I can see that, but we're going out of the skill zone, and I'm just not sure I want to participate in a scalp trade right now, but I think it should be breaking the 459. All right. All right, Natasha. Let's see. Me too, by the way. Me too. After those 2 losses, I just don't know what to do here, because my gut feeling tells me that it's going to break the 459. But I just, you know, it's Friday and it's a London session, and I'm not, you know, as a rule for me, Friday London session, I'm not trading my funded accounts. No way. If there is an extremely good A+ setup, A+ setup in New York session, I might trade on one funded account, but I'm not copy trading. So far this week for me was extremely good. I'm super happy. I secured another $1,000 from Apex. It should be approved because I did everything correctly, and I got 2 new funded accounts with Take Profit Trader. I don't want to put myself into a bad mood. The Bulenox accounts are looking good, so yeah. Use at 10 a.m. Yes. So, and actually, let me show you guys the accounts I'm having right now. So let's do a recap. So I blow up my Take Profit Trader funded account a few days ago. It is what it is. I'm gonna do a financial recap too, by the way, how much I've spent so far this year and how much I'm doing with payouts. Okay, but so far I am down to 1 2 3 4 5 6, and there's gonna be basically 7 and 8 funded accounts overall. This Apex account is ready for $1,000 of payout. I'm gonna request it most likely on Monday. These 2 Apex accounts are basically almost brand new, only at 588, and this one is at 443. So still a lot to go with these. This Bulenox account looks very good at $3,016. Now this account already had $3,000 of payout. So 1,500 times 2. So this is a very, very, very good account. I'm looking for the 3rd payout on this account. This one is at 3,200. I still need to make almost $400 for a $1,000 payout. I think I have a chance to do it next week. And this account also at $3,000 almost. I think I have a chance to make $600 on these accounts next week. So that's going to be awesome if I can request $2,000 after that, but let's just wait. And the new funded accounts, this one I just had to make. So this one passed 150k funded account, so it's going to be funded next week. I passed this one with Take Profit Trader, and I have this one. I just had to flip it today, so this is going to be funded on Monday for sure. So that is all, and I have a new DAYTRADERS account. I just made 472 today on it, but As I said, I was just scalping in hindsight. And that's it. That is so far, you know. And I'm not sure I want to risk anything giving back to the market, you know. 2K, and then I'm done. Are you looking for the 2K? Are you in the trade, Natasha? Come on. What's your risk management like? Do you decrease after 1 or 2 losses? Yes, I do. Stop loss hunter. I decrease if I really want to go into a trade. I do a little bit of, less risk, and I try to aim for at least 1.5 or 2 risk to reward ratio. So these trades have not been taken, but it's a good example. So my stop loss is 1R. My take profit should be 2R. I missed this trade. This was a valid long setup, and I didn't take it. Anyway, I heard about FIDIAs, but I haven't tried them. Exactly, Naomi. Exactly. Mondays and Fridays are FUFO days. Exactly. And take it or leave it from me. I'm talking about from experience. There's nothing worse than screwing up everything on a Friday, because it's going to put you in a bad mood for the weekend. Trust me. Please, trust me on this one. If you mess around on a Friday, it's not, I'm not saying your weekend is going to be bad, but it's definitely not helping you. It's putting you, because you have to wait until Monday, and it's going to be frustrating, like, oh my God, I still have to wait until Monday. Oh, what am I going to do? So, I think it's best to scale it down on a Friday, maybe trade evaluation accounts, or really trade very low risk. That's what I would do. And there's a video up there in my channel that it says I've blown all my funded accounts. It happened on a Friday, and it was just 5 minutes before market close. You can watch the video. Because I was a stupid idiot. I was an absolute moron, and I blow up all my funded accounts because I was a moron. On a Friday evening at market close, I blow up all my funded accounts, almost all my funded accounts. Imagine the feeling for the weekend. My weekend was totally messed up. Totally, absolutely messed up. So, don't do stupid stuff on Friday. Trust me. Don't do stupid. Trade on an evaluation account. Trade an eval. That's what I do. That's what I do always. I trade evals on Friday. Try to build up some more fundeds. Byte Media, good to see you. Got breached? What? Because you traded news. Oh, which prop firm was that? Man, I'm sorry to hear that. Oh man, 8,200 in profit. What happened? How was it? Wait, were you in an open position, or which news was it? Man, I'm sorry to hear that. No trade. Dokugan, thank you for being here. Wish you a good rest of the day as well. Thanks for being here. Let's go. Amen. On the last macro, yes, Martin. Yes, Martin. On the last, watch the video. I explained that where I entered. On the last 5 or 10 minute macro, I blown up all my accounts. All my accounts. It was ready for payout. I put the screenshots there as well. I was ready for $2,000 of payout with Apex. And boom. In 5 minutes, boom. Everything. It makes sense that you don't want to trade prop firms to make... It makes sense that you don't want to trade prop firms to make money. Right, but I think you are in the same situation and trying to grind it. Yeah. And get a solid salary from this. Of course, that's the goal, to have multiple trading accounts. Yeah. How do you deal with this psychology? I'm not sure I understand the question 100%, but you know, you're asking, it makes sense that you don't want to trade prop firms to make money that you really need, right? Yes. I think of course. So if you are strictly relying to make money with prop firm trading, with prop firm payouts, and you have nothing else, no other income, and you're really hoping, and not just hoping, but grinding to get those payouts from trading, that is definitely taking a huge stress. I mean, putting on a huge stress on anyone, I think. So the best thing I can tell, Filbert, is, size down the positions, whichever type of account you do, size down and take it step by step, that is one thing for sure. When I sized down my positions and when I stopped copy trading, I started to receive payouts. Believe it or not, take it or leave it. When I went down to micros and just a few micros and adjusted my risk management according to that, I started to receive payouts. When I went with minis, even just one mini, or started to scalp or do some stupid stuff in New York, especially when there's high volume, I was blowing accounts left and right. Boom, everything. As soon as I switched to micros and downsized, things started to happen. And I think this is something that can be useful for anyone in any type of situation who is trying to trade with prop firms, So CPI, okay. MyFundedFutures. Oh man. Oh man. It's sad. Yeah, CPI news is definitely a no-go for most prop firms. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that. It's just it doesn't really want to break this area. It doesn't really want to go higher. Not yet. Oh man. I don't have any positions on right now, by the way. Nothing. Absolutely no positions. Not even a scalp. So what to do? Yeah, there's no setup here. I completely agree with you, Trading Star. There's just absolutely no setup right now. Nothing. And I'm not gonna force it. If you lose your internet connection, if your monkey takes over. Yeah. Maybe. That's what we should do. That is something, yeah, it's a safety. Thanks for being here, TLA Trader. Have a nice weekend. And it was good to see you. It was good to see you. And thanks again for the email the other day. Thank you. SMTVDS. NQ is just basically unplugged right now. I don't like it. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to take a trade here. So I'm just going to leave it at that. Even if it breaks Asia high, I don't want to do that. Vivian, hello there. Vivian, I'm just finishing up here, but hey, thank you so much for dropping in the stream. I think I'm gonna finish up this stream right now because there's just nothing to do. Asia high should be broken sooner or later. It could be any moment. But then I'm just gonna wait for the New York session. Don't forget we have news. We have news. Yeah, 10 a.m. We'll see what happens after. Oh man. Okay. Thank you so much. I'll be back for the New York session. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, everybody. And I hope you guys can join me. And like always, yes, Natasha. Yeah. So I hope you guys can join me back on the New York session for one more session. And that's it. If you would like to support the channel, please, you know, never forget your favorite good-looking streamer. Don't forget to support the stream and the channel. And I really appreciate it. The same code goes everywhere. And you know, everything is in the description. Bulenox has a sale on 75% on option 2 accounts as well. So check it out. Otherwise, Take Profit Trader forever. No, other ones are good too. Thank you again. First and foremost, God bless you all. All right. Thank you, everybody. Have a good one. See you in New York. Cheers.